Show you how easy it is to install a toggle bolt into drywall. Some people are intimidated by these, thinking that they're hard to use, but they're actually really simple. They close and spring open behind the drywall. Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our hooks. First, you put the bolt through the hardware, tighten the toggle a few turns. Note that I already pre-drilled a 3/4 inch hole that allows the toggle bolt to simply go through there and spring open in the back. You just press firmly, you'll hear it spring open in the back. I then tighten this by hand. And taking care not to over tighten this bolt, you can simply just tighten it with a wrench. Couple turns, you'll feel when it snugs up. We sell these toggle bolt kits on our site, and you can find them at the link below.